going to the chapel and we're going.
Sometimes
Worlds
collide, love ignites, or big dreams die. Either way, we try our whole life, try to be someone with the whole world up against us. Have you ever wanted to be somebody else? Or maybe you're going through some kind of hell. See, I got this belief that if your heart is still beating, it's a good day to be alive. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. You know, nobody lives forever, right? So right now, I'm just gonna let it all hang out. Only got one life to be myself. Blue skies and my inhibitions in the wind. These are old shoes. I've got a brand new kick to them. Make me wanna dance all night. Yeah, it kinda feels like anything could happen. It's a good day to be alive. Just one of those days, gravity can't hold me down. Just one of those nights, we gonna sing a little too loud. I see life, champagne in the sky, and stars born on the ground. Just take a look around. I like shaking up tradition. I don't fit into any mold. Still I'm no exception. I've been high and I've been low. But see, I got this belief that if my heart is still beating, it's a good day to be alive. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. You know.
I've been told marriage isn't easy, but as you all know, my mom's incredibly strong. She raised us to hold her head high when we face trials and tribulations, and because of that, I know that she and Mike will be able to weather any storm.
It's awesome being here with you all this evening to celebrate my little sister and her new mister. A short wedding and a long party.
Feels like anything could happen. It's a good day to be alive. I got my feet on the ground and my heart in the clouds. When it rains, I like rolling my windows down. We all got our demons. I keep my head